let's explore this yacht.
Oh my god!
This yacht has everything we could want. And Duddell's gave us the entire restaurant to ourselves. They have dozens of exclusive dishes, but the most popular is the deep-fried stuffed crab shell. Now we're in Hong Kong Disneyland. This Disneyland in Hong Kong has a bunch of new rides and attractions you won't find anywhere else. We also got to meet Chip and Dale for Hong Kong Disneyland's 20th anniversary. Disney's legendary fireworks show, and we had front row seats.